Meaning of doozie.
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 Doozie. Doozie is an American English slang term that means something outstanding or exceptional, typically in a positive sense. The word can also be used to describe something that is remarkable for its size or difficulty. It is often used to refer to something impressive, surprising, or remarkable. For example, someone might say that a particular performance was a doozy to indicate that it was exceptional. Overall, doozy is a colorful and expressive term that conveys a sense of excitement and admiration for something noteworthy or impressive.